Man is a mystery, yes, but not because he is hidden, only because he refuses to look. His cruelty wears the mask of logic, his silence the robe of virtue. He asks for light, then flinches at the flame. I once said, if God is dead, everything is permitted. But it was never God who held us back. It was shame, conscience, the quiet voice we spend our whole lives trying to silence. The real danger is not in losing faith, but in forgetting we ever had it. Fyodor Dostoevsky.